Decor Designs, your go-to channel for creating spaces you absolutely love. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. We all know that a lush green lawn is the heart of any beautiful home, but have you ever felt like your garden lacks that professional touch? Today we are diving deep into one of the most underrated yet transformative elements of outdoor design: landscape lawn edging. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or a weekend DIY enthusiast, understanding how to define the borders of your yard can take your curb appeal from average to extraordinary. At its core, landscape lawn edging is the practice of creating a physical or visual boundary between your lawn and other elements of your garden, such as flower beds, pathways, or shrubbery. It acts as a frame for a picture, providing a crisp, clean line that separates the manicured grass from the organic growth of your plants. Edging can be a literal barrier made of wood, stone, or metal, or it can be a spade edge, which is a narrow trench cut directly into the soil. Essentially, it is the structural skeleton of your garden design that keeps every element in its designated place. Investing time and resources into lawn edging offers far more than just visual appeal. One of the primary practical benefits is the containment of grass and weeds. A solid edge prevents invasive tough grass roots from creeping into your pristine flower beds, saving you hours of weeding. Furthermore, it keeps your mulch, gravel, or soil from washing away onto the grass during heavy rain, maintaining the integrity of your garden's layers. From a maintenance perspective, it provides a mowing strip that allows you to trim the grass right up to the boundary without damaging your delicate plants, resulting in a much cleaner finish. Ultimately, well-executed edging increases your property value by demonstrating that the outdoor space has been meticulously cared for and thoughtfully designed. To make your lawn edging look truly spectacular, you should treat it as a design feature rather than just a utility. Consider the flow of your garden. Instead of strict straight lines, use gentle, sweeping curves to create a more natural and inviting feel that guides the eye through the landscape. You can enhance the look by layering plants behind the edging, placing shorter, colorful annuals right against the border and taller perennials further back to create depth. For a high-end look, try contrasting the color of your edging material with the surrounding environment. For instance, dark charcoal stones against bright green grass or warm wooden stakes against red mulch. Adding low-voltage LED path lights along the edge can also transform your garden at night, highlighting the clean lines and creating a safe, magical atmosphere for evening strolls. Choosing the right material depends on your garden style and your budget. Natural stone and brick are timeless choices that offer a classic rustic feel and incredible durability, though they require a bit more effort to install. For those seeking a modern or industrial aesthetic, metal edging, specifically steel or aluminum, provides a very slim, almost invisible profile that is perfect for contemporary homes. Wood is a popular, cost-effective option, especially pressure-treated timber or cedar, which brings a warm, organic texture to the yard. If you are looking for flexibility and ease of installation, high-quality plastic or composite materials have come a long way, offering various colors and the ability to bend easily around tight corners. For a truly unique look, recycled materials like glass bottles or terracotta tiles can add a whimsical, artistic touch to your outdoor living area. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here are the compilation of the top 10 best landscape lawn edging ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the classic wood grain border. This design features a warm, timber-style edging that beautifully complements a vibrant flower bed. The rich brown tones provide a wonderful contrast to the deep green foliage and bright pink flowers, creating a structured yet natural look that feels right at home in any suburban garden. 2. Manicured island bed with scalloped stone. A stunning example of curb appeal. This circular island bed uses light-colored scalloped stone edging to create a formal boundary. The stones neatly contain the dark mulch and a variety of ornamental trees and tulips, making the entire arrangement pop against the expansive green lawn. 3. Modern Zen water feature edge. For a contemporary and peaceful vibe, this design uses sleek, gray paving stones to border a long, narrow reflecting pool. The straight lines and smooth surfaces create a minimalist aesthetic that perfectly bridges the gap between the lush turf and the calming movement of the water. For the S-curve concrete mow strip. Clean and functional, this concrete edging follows a graceful S-curve around trees and flower beds. This style is perfect for those who want a low-maintenance garden, as the flat surface allows lawnmower wheels to glide right over the edge, ensuring a perfect trim every time. 5. Multi-level terraced stone walls. When dealing with a sloped yard, these heavy-duty stone blocks create beautiful terraced levels. The edging here acts as a retaining wall, separating tiers of grass and gravel pathways, giving the landscape a sophisticated, architectural feel that maximizes usable space. 6. Decorative wavy concrete border. This idea uses a precast concrete border with a textured, wavy pattern to separate a dark mulched garden bed from the grass. The dark mulch makes the bright green shrubs and hanging flower baskets stand out, while the gray border provides a sharp, clean finish to the winding path. 7. Rustic vertical timber stakes. Perfect for a cottage or country-style home, this edging uses vertical wooden stakes of varying heights to create a charming, circular lawn area. The wood pairs beautifully with the brickwork of the house and the surrounding gravel, offering a cozy and lived-in atmosphere. 8. Flexible modern slate gray edging. This design showcases a thin, flexible gray composite edging that bends effortlessly along a curved flower bed. It provides a very crisp, modern look that keeps the colorful pansies and daisies perfectly contained, preventing them from spilling over into the well-kept lawn. 9. Natural river rock boundary. For a more organic and relaxed feel, using various sizes of smooth river rocks creates a beautiful transition between the house and the lawn. The rocks provide excellent drainage and a textured look that works perfectly with ornamental grasses and leafy green plants. 10. Interlocking red brick pattern. This classic red brick edging follows a gentle curve, providing a traditional and sturdy border. The reddish tones of the brick harmonize with the surrounding greenery and pebbles, creating a timeless look that is both durable and visually appealing for a front yard. Landscape lawn edging is truly the secret weapon of professional landscapers. It's an easy way to organize your outdoor space, protect your plants, and give your home that polished, finished look that everyone admires. Whether you choose the rugged look of natural stone or the sleek profile of metal, your garden will thank you for the extra structure and style. If you found these edging ideas helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more outdoor inspiration. Which of these 10 styles was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you're planning to transform your yard this season. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.